So Jake, we having some congestion. Right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. We're knocking things loose with the percussor before we go in and do the actual jackhammer upon Dr. Jake's face. So if I'm working on someone's sinuses, here is how I get them to shake loose. I'm gonna sit right there above that one. Notice I'm keeping my hand on this before I start it, because that would not feel awesome if that slipped off and went right into your eye. Just loosening up these sinuses above the nose, and then we're gonna go kind of right around the nose, under the eyes as well. I promise I wash my hands.